Okay, good morning. What we have here is a Nescafé Dolce Gusto Genio or Genio S Plus automatic coffee machine. It's in its dark red. So I compiled here 5 points. The size, so it's about like do you know the bundle of A4, 500 pages? I think that's the size of it. A little bit bigger than that. Then you can use different cups like this. I think this is about less than 200 milliliter. You can also use a smaller cup. You can adjust the panel if you have a espresso, smaller espresso cup. Okay. So it's detachable. So I filled in water. We're gonna test one Toffee Nut Latte from Starbucks. So it has an A energy rating. So if you leave the machine after a minute, it will automatically turn itself off. You have to descale 3 to 4 months. The scale is simply cleaning. So just refer to the manual. And yeah, the levels. So you can see the levels here, like 7 or 8 levels. That corresponds to the level that you will see in the toffee box. So if it is a cappuccino, then you will see also that level, the milk level and the coffee capsule level. For now, today we're gonna try this. So we start with the milk. So the milk, it will leave only 2 levels unlit. Okay, you see it? Milk. So we're gonna use about 200 milliliter cup. I'm gonna use this to make it transparent. So we'll not use this panel anymore. Then I remove the descaler filter. There we go. You can see it. By the way, I registered it for a 1-year warranty. Alright, okay. So it should be fit in, and don't forget, your water should also be fit in, tucked in level. Okay. So we'll only leave 2 levels unlit. So about that will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 levels unlit. Okay. See that? Yeah, we'll make it move closer. Yeah, there. Then we'll choose. So a couple of buttons here, a larger cup and a smaller cup. And there you go if you want to have an XL. So we'll go for the larger cup. Toffee Nut Latte. The seasonal favorite, the rich, buttery flavor of sweet toffee is combined with the warmth of toasted nuts and blended with smooth espresso and creamy milk, made at home with your Dolce Gusto machine this Christmas. Okay, so our cup, the large cup, the 200 or about 200 milliliter glass is just about nice. We're gonna remove that milk capsule. Okay, careful because it might be hot. Okay, here. Oh, yeah, it's hot. Okay, so you see that the milk is still got some, because we chose the 5th level. So yeah, now we're gonna try add in the coffee. Okay. And the coffee is telling you, if you're using a 200 milliliter cup, only 1 level. This one. Okay. I'm pressing the same cup, the larger one. Side. You can smell the aroma of the toffee. Yeah, as it says, the aroma blended with smooth espresso and creamy milk. Well, that's it. Don't forget to descale every 3 months or 4 months, and that's the levels that we have discussed. This is Nescafé Dolce Gusto Genio S Plus automatic coffee machine, and together with Starbucks. So the meaning it's the capsule is compatible with this coffee machine. I'm not sure. Maybe in the next video if this capsule will gonna be fit in. Stay tuned.